Charming pathways and blossoming nooks. Inspiration for a tranquil garden retreat in small spaces. Transforming your small house garden into a peaceful outdoor sanctuary is a delightful journey that brings together enchanting pathways and blooming corners to create an idyllic retreat. By thoughtfully designing garden paths adorned with lush greenery and vibrant flowers, you can elevate the charm of your outdoor space, turning every step into a delightful experience. Picture winding stone paths leading to secluded reading nooks, where artistic stepping stones become works of art in themselves, or floral archways framing your garden entrances with natural elegance. These thoughtful details work in unison to enhance the beauty and tranquility of your backyard sanctuary. The magic of a well-planned small house garden lies in its ability to blend functionality with aesthetic appeal, providing a perfect balance of relaxation and inspiration. Incorporate a mix of low-maintenance perennials, ornamental grasses, and fragrant blooms to create a dynamic yet effortless landscape. This approach not only simplifies upkeep, but also ensures a garden that flourishes with minimal intervention. To further enhance your garden's sense of tranquility and intimacy, consider adding water features like a petite fountain or a reflecting pond. These elements introduce serene water sounds and create a focal point that captivates the senses. Sustainability can be a guiding principle in your garden design. Choosing eco-friendly garden decor and sustainable materials supports a greener environment and adds to the narrative of your garden. Layering different textures, heights, and colors will bring a visually stunning dimension to your garden, making it feel welcoming and enchanting. Eco-conscious designs, from recycled materials to native plants, not only contribute to environmental health, but also imbue your garden with a sense of mindfulness and responsibility. Embrace the joy of outdoor living by designing cozy seating areas nestled among nature's beauty, perfect for sipping morning coffee or unwinding in the evening. Solar-powered string lights or soft glowing lanterns can transform your garden into a magical retreat as the sun sets, creating an enchanting atmosphere. Space can be maximized using container gardening, vertical plant displays, and charming trellises, making even the smallest areas feel grand and inviting. These techniques ensure that your garden is not only a sight to behold, but also a testament to innovative design. Whether you seek a peaceful haven for personal reflection or a charming space for gathering with loved ones, these small house garden inspirations offer the tools to craft a picturesque and heartwarming escape that truly feels like home. With each thoughtful addition, from whimsical statues to aromatic herbs lining your pathway, your garden becomes a canvas of creativity and a testament to the tranquility of nature. Let your imagination flourish as you transform your garden into a sanctuary that reflects your personal style and love for the outdoors, creating lasting memories in a space that grows in beauty each passing day.